Good morning, girls. Today we will start goodwill and nature and its valuation. So, goodwill is what? Goodwill is the advantage of the good name or reputation of the business. Sometimes we go to a particular shop, है ना, हम एक ही शॉप पे पर्टिकुलरली जाते हैं क्योंकि हमें वहाँ पे अच्छा सामान मिलता है, अच्छी प्रोडक्ट्स मिलती हैं, रेट जो है वो ठीक है, बिहेवियर जो है वो पर्सन का ठीक है. दैट इज़ बिकॉज ऑफ द गुडविल. सो गुडविल इज़ एन intangible asset of an organization. So goodwill is what? It is earned by the business over a period of time by adhering to the certain sound business principles which we follow. So it is that force which attracts customers and thereby increase the sales and profits. Goodwill is the present value of the firm's anticipated excess earnings. कि एक अगर सिमिलर टू शॉप्स हैं एक मार्केट में, तो एक शॉप पे अगर ज़्यादा कस्टमर्स आ रहे हैं तो दैट इज़ बिकॉज ऑफ द गुडविल ऑफ दैट शॉप. So in fact, goodwill is the advantage which arise from the good name, maybe reputation and connections of the business, and the benefit which accrues to the owner of the business. So because of this goodwill, the owner will earn more profits from the similar other businesses, competitive businesses, that such businesses will earn in the future. So goodwill is an intangible asset. So what is the definition? You can do any definition. So goodwill is nothing more than profitability that an old customers visit old places. Now classification of goodwill. So classification of goodwill में we have a type of goodwill, like we have a dog goodwill. Dog goodwill is the, as we know, dog is a faithful animal. So dog goodwill is that goodwill in which the person is attached to the owner of the business. Wherever the owner goes, the जो customer will also goes there. The second one is the rat goodwill. Rat goodwill has no attachment, is purely casual, as the behavior of rat. So rat goodwill में the person may be anywhere. The customers are neither faithful to business nor to the owner. Rabbit is attached to the nearness in time and place relationship. So some customers come to the business or shop because they happen to live close by, है ना. कई बार हम सोचते हैं कि जो हमारे पास में शॉप है हम वहीं पे चले जाते हैं. So that is a rabbit goodwill. And one more goodwill we have dog, rat and rabbit. So characteristics of goodwill now. So what are the characteristics? It is an intangible asset. It cannot be valued precisely because it depends upon the subjective judgment of the valuer. So goodwill is the estimated value of reputation, honor, relationship. Goodwill cannot have existence separate from that of the enterprise, and it is the present estimate of the future prospects of the business. अब बहुत सारे फैक्टर्स होते हैं जिनकी वजह से गुडविल जो है वो हमारी बनती है. सो व्हाट आर दोज फैक्टर्स? सो फैक्टर है, समटाइम्स इट विल बी द लोकेशन ऑफ द बिजनेस, कि बिज़नेस जो है वो बहुत अच्छी लोकेलिटी में है, सेंट्रल प्लेस में है जहाँ पे इजीली आया जाया जा सकता है. देन द नेचर ऑफ द बिजनेस, देन द मेंबर्स ऑफ द मैनेजमेंट टीम, मे बी द बिहेवियर ऑफ द पर्सन्स, पॉसिबिलिटी ऑफ कॉम्पिटिशन, possession of trademarks, patents and copyrights, amount of capital employed, quality of product, advertising and publicity of the business, sound business connections, good industrial relations, and government attitude. Other factors such as money market conditions, political stability, future business prospects are also affects the value of goodwill.